Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to go over Etsy versus Big Cartel and which one should be the better option for you. Now, what we're going to do is look at the major differences. So please focus on the ones that support your case the most. For Etsy, it's the same marketplace, right? They head over to Etsy and let's say they search for Christmas shirt, right? You'll see that if you are selling on Etsy, it's going to show all the Christmas shirts by everyone, right? But for Big Cartel, you get your own store and own domain. So it's harder to stand out as in unique. Like, let's say you like this one, but then this one will catch your eye. You're like, okay, do I buy from this, that? But for Big Cartel, that's not the case, right? And then for Etsy again, since so many people are just heading over here, it's easier to get more customers. And you have, if you're on the Big Cartel, then you have to look out for your own ways. And then for pricing and fees, they both kind of have free plans and paid plans as well. So I would say that go for the one that really suits you, because let's say that one is out of your budget, then obviously you can't go for that. Both of them are easy to use. Etsy has a fixed storefront layout. Like if you click on whether this or whether this one, both of them are the same, right? I'm not talking about any other company, but it's the same shop. You just need to display your product as different. Same over here, right? It's the same product and the same layout. So, and then what you have, both of them have integrations, but Etsy does not have any HTML or CSS, and that is because everything is already fixed. Now, customer care, Etsy provides for phones, and rest are provided by both of them. So, which one should you really go for? Big Cartel, it does not give you any option to add a blog, but Etsy does. So the main thing comes down to, if you're willing to have, let's say, good products, and you know your products will stand out, and you're not willing to spend that on Big Cartel, then Etsy is the way to go. But let's say you want a completely separate domain for yourself, then Big Cartel is the way to go. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.